Good morning, fam, and welcome to this video of a Macro Monday full day of eating with ya girl. I am tired, but that is what coffee is for, and I got extra excited because I just remembered that I got my sugar-free pumpkin creamer. I could not sleep for the heck of for my life last night. I got a really weird prank call yesterday. Yeah, that freaked me out. So I don't know if it's a prank call or what it was, but anyways, I was freaked out the whole night, peeping out my window. It was weird. I actually have to go to the doctor's. I came back with like a weird looking birthmark on my skin. It doesn't hurt or anything like that, but I want to be safe and get it checked out before I go to Hawaii. I go to Hawaii on Monday, this coming Monday. Today is Thursday. I've officially been home for like 5 days now from Atlanta and the Bahamas. It was so much fun. But yeah, so I have some filming to do in addition to filming a full day of eating ready for you guys. Have to potentially, hopefully I have time to go get my toes done and go get these eyebrows waxed because they hurting for certain, and yeah, they need help. And get our day started, so I'm gonna go downstairs, show you guys what I take every single morning, and have my coffee, make my coffee, and then also show you guys what I do before I actually start my day as far as my journaling, what book I'm reading, my Bible. A lot of you guys have been asking me what kind of Bible it is. So yeah, let's get this beautiful day started. All right, so every morning, this is my routine. I take her omegas, fish oils from NLA for her. And no, these do not make me have that like fishy taste in my mouth. For those of you that are curious, I know that's like an issue with fish oils. I absolutely love those. They have a lemon flavor. And then her multi every single day. Then I have been taking cured CBD oil, actually, for those of you who will ask, because like whenever I post this on my Instagram, I get insane questions. You just fill up an entire thing of this once at the beginning of the day, take it, and then once at the end of the day. So CBD oil is amazing to help like calm just anxiety. It's been shown to help with depression. This is about to go down right now, and I could not be more excited about it. Sugar-free creamer has the absolute best macros, and I like coffee with my creamer, if you know what I mean. Yeah, okay, maybe that's a little bit too much, but regardless, you get my point. I have the best times of the day. That's how I normally usually start my day. So first, I always pray, obviously, whether that's out loud or in my head. And then I'll always read. This is a 1-year Bible. Read it in a year as long as you read everything, you know, daily. I read whatever self-help book. I'm on the Power of Positive Thinking. This book is amazing and I highly recommend it. I don't know whether that's, you know, me just getting literally my thoughts out on my, you know, daily intentions, how I want to be throughout the day, how, like, you know, what I want to do, my goals, and then, you know, my gratitude. So like stuff that I'm grateful for. So, all right, breakfast is ready. It's currently 10:02, listening to Lewis Howes' podcast. This is one of the podcasts that I mainly listen to. This is like one of my go-to breakfasts. It's really micronutrient dense, a lot of vitamins and minerals. It's very fulfilling. I love sauce, obviously. So I put some ketchup on top. It's probably about 1 serving. I have 5 egg whites. I added some spinach in there for some micros. And then just plain oats, literally with a half of banana. So I'm gonna go ahead and link the macros on the side. We are on the go. Get my toes and my eyebrows waxed, and then I have a doctor's appointment at 1:50. It's already 12:30, so I'm trying to hurry. Directly from the doctor's office, which I'll update you guys what the heck is going on with the little bruise on my body afterwards. I'm gonna go literally directly to the gym. So have my gallon of water. This little Gymshark bag, by the way, super cute. I use this for absolutely everything. It just went live on their website. Since I'm going to the gym directly after, I already packed my supplements, her aminos, because you guys know I love to take those during my workouts to help with building muscle and also recovery. It's great for that. And then her carnitine for breaking down fat, because your girl's trying to stay on track because I've been traveling so much. So I get it in with my supplements when I'm having to take on the go. So I'm taking this kombucha. It's apple cider vinegar. Haven't tried it. Kavita, turmeric and ginger. I actually love the taste of like turmeric ginger type shots. I'm a weirdo. And then I have this protein bar, Lemon Delight. A lot of the food that I'm trying to like eat more of and then eat less of, stuff that's not going to trigger my skin to break out, because I already have very acne prone skin. When I'm home, I'm gonna try and stick to food that doesn't make me break out. Just got done doing some filming. I told you guys I was gonna show you everything I ate today, so you're holding me accountable. Not that this is bad, but this is stuff that I'm trying to get away from because it's just not good for my skin, obviously. But I was starving. I was so hungry. So I had literally, there's only probably a quarter of this left. Pre-workout meal, I'm gonna have one of these, which is probably like, I don't even know, 4 ounces. And then I'm gonna have some broccoli. And then I'm also going to have some avocado. And then I'm gonna head to the gym. I went to the doctors and I am A-okay. Stimulated pigmentation from like the melanin in my skin. And so, which is weird because I put on sunscreen. But the power of the sun is like different is what I'm saying. So it could have been that. But thank the Lord, I'm healthy and I'm happy that that's all that it was. Your girl went green and got a Brita because I would usually just get like water bottles, big packs of water bottles from Costco, but I'm going green, okay? So we got Brita and upped our adulting game. So this is the nourishing meal I'm gonna have. I have some avocado, really good fats in there. I got some broccoli, some dense micronutrient veggies. And then I got some salmon. Salmon is like my favorite fish ever. Good fats in there for you and just an overall. I'm so obsessed with my new toe color. I used to always get bright colors, but now I just pretty much stick to like an eggshell. But I thought this was gonna be lit for Hawaii. You know, I could just see my toes in the sand now. Okay, so I thought I would end this video with, so I'm gonna go ahead and make ground turkey breast. Make sure that you guys get 99% lean whenever you get this, because this is the one that's 1.5 grams of fat as a meal prep, this entire thing. So I'm gonna make some broccoli, put that into a few Tupperwares, and then I'm also going to bake some yams. I have been on this kombucha kick lately, as you guys have seen. Kavita, wow, this kombucha brand, so freaking good. Here's my plate for now. It's like just straight ketchup. I freaking love sauces and ketchup. They just make the world go round. So I have a good amount of veggies, and then I also have a serving and a half of the lean turkey for the yams to cook. I'm going to use the rest of that to prep it into probably, it's gonna end up being maybe like 2 Tupperwares, maybe 2 or 3, probably 2. A little less than I was anticipating. Perfect, look at how beautiful those look. Yes, ma'am. This easily could have been 3 meals, potentially like 3.5. Look at how stacked that is. Super solid, perfect for tomorrow. That is gonna conclude that full day of eating, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. And I hope that you learned something per usual. I hope that you enjoyed the video. So, love you guys to pieces. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new to come back and see me. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out so much. And I appreciate every single one of you who do it. So, I love you guys so much. Mwah!